got this vintage York Tombstone Champion air conditioner starting up. I believe this is a first on YouTube. Fan is spinning faster than it looks. That's just the camera. I believe this is mid to late 1980s. That has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. And this line is ice cold and sweaty. There's the data sheet. It is completely gone. Yep, Copeland CR. I was able to see the tag in there. Yeah, putting off a heat load. It is 100 degrees today, and this thing is cycling. That's working really good. That's ice cold and sweaty. And this is very, very hot. Yeah, I can see where the cereal would be, but there's nothing in the box. It's all gone. But mid to late 80s, I would say. But yep. York Tombstone air conditioner starting up. I will try for a shutdown now. Alright. So the shutdown clip was corrupted, so I actually tried for it again and got it again, but sadly the GoPro fell over, so it didn't catch the fan spinning down, but it was, you know, kind of like that. I saw it. So, start up shutdown of a York Tombstone air conditioner. I'm just gonna see if I can. 85. The compressor says 85, so a 1985 York Tombstone. Start up shutdown. Okay.